In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable AI in Google Chrome. Whether you're looking to streamline your browsing experience or simply prefer a more hands-on approach to your online activities, turning off AI features in Chrome can be a straightforward process. Let's dive in and tackle this together. First, you'll want to open Google Chrome on your device. If you haven't already, make sure your browser is up to date by clicking on the three vertical dots in the top right corner of your screen, selecting Help, and then choosing About Google Chrome. This ensures that you're running the latest version, which is crucial for the best performance and security. Once you've confirmed that your Chrome is updated, navigate to the Settings menu by clicking on those same three vertical dots in the top right corner and selecting Settings from the drop-down list. This menu is where you'll manage all your browser's configurations, so feel free to explore if you're curious, but today we'll focus on disabling AI functionalities. In the Settings menu, look for the option that reads Privacy and Security. Here, you'll find several settings that control how Chrome interacts with data and various features, including some AI elements. The goal here is to ensure that options like predictive text and other AI-based suggestions are turned off. This can usually be found under the Sync and Google Services section within Privacy and Security. Once you're here, scroll through the list of options, keeping an eye out for features like autocomplete searches and URLs, show suggestions for similar pages when a page can't be found, and make searches and browsing better. By toggling off these switches, you stop the AI from offering suggestions based on your search history and typed information. After you've adjusted these settings, you might also want to clear your cached data and cookies to ensure no residual AI data is lingering. To do this, return to the Privacy and Security menu and click on Clear Browsing Data. Select the appropriate time range, opting for all time if you want to be thorough, and then check the boxes for both cached images and cookies. Finally, click on Clear Data. As a final step, it never hurts to restart Chrome to ensure all changes are properly applied. Simply close your browser completely and reopen it. There you have it. You've successfully disabled AI features in Google Chrome, allowing for a browsing experience that is a little less influenced by automated suggestions and more directly controlled by you. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tech tutorials and guides. See you next time.